In this video, we'll use the Buzzy AI Wizard to create a new app. Even if you've already created an initial app when onboarding, it's worth watching to see both what's involved and how to create more apps. From the main workspace view, simply start here. Our AI app creation wizard will guide you through the process. Start with a simple prompt. This should describe your app in simple terms. Check out the example prompts from our documentation. The wizard will use the prompt to generate an app brief. This is like a functional requirements doc and describes your app, its features and flows, and the data types it might need. The brief is then turned into a data model. This includes the database and all the data tables your app needs. Remember, this isn't just a description of your app. Buzzy is actually creating your app's backend here. After the data model, Buzzy will use a set of predefined UI components to build a working interface for your app. Generate some sample data. Then your app is ready to preview. You can click on this link to preview your app in the Workspace editor, this one to manage it in the Buzzy Workspace, here to generate more sample data, or scan the QR code with your phone to preview it in a browser on your device. Let's check the preview. Bear in mind that this is a working app with a real database behind it, created in minutes. How's that for a kickstart?